should be able to see when that thing opens. 26 volts to open the gas valve. Or is it the control board that's... Alright, I got jumped out. I'm gonna try this one more time. Alright, good afternoon guys. We're at a property here. We got a no heat. This system is a gas system. I've been out here a couple times. And let me see what we got. There should be a light here somewhere. Or a light switch. Oh, there it is. Okay. So, let me put my mask on. Because there's all types of things going around now. We currently have the furnace set to heat, and we bumped it up a couple degrees. As you can tell, nothing is really happening. Could be a lockout or something, but we'll figure it out here pretty soon. It's Friday today, and hopefully y'all have a good week. My week was kind of mild. Oh wait, hold on. No mask. Must be in the car, or I need to go get some more. But enough about that. Let's go get started. Already I see a flash from the furnace. Let me get these doors off. Okay, there's a fuse here. Weird. What's this saying? This is saying 033 heat 9 or 9H 033. Rinse and repeat. Damn. I don't have a flathead. I don't want to run to the truck for a stupid flathead. Just need to break these loose, and then I can just do the rest by hand. So we got 033 and a call for heat. I'm working on the Goodman furnace here. Oh, small gas. This is nice and loose. We got power. The exchanger doesn't look cracked. Not the exchanger, the igniter. Flame rod looks attached. Let's go figure out what that 033 is. Make sure that's the only thing that's showing. I'm gonna take this panel off. See that 033? Excuse me. Just ate some Culver's. Haven't had anything to eat all day. Went to the gym this morning too, so I've been starving. Filter looks all right. Oh, they got the door switch on, so we still got power. Great. So we can see the error code nice and clear, and then we can figure this out. So we have on our schematic here, lockout due to excessive retries or recycles. For whatever reason, the system failed to actually ignite. So we're going to reset the system and just watch it, figure out, see what happens. Why did it fail to ignite? Is the igniter cracked? It didn't look that way. Pressure switches. Seized up. Let me look. Let me just reset it. I'm gonna turn the power off at the top here. It's gonna kill that thermostat, and then what kind of thermostat he had? I think he had a Honeywell. No, it was a Google Nest. So there's gonna be a rebooting delay. All right, maybe not. So it immediately kicks on. Contact should close the igniter, then the gas, but we'll see what happens. H9 is your heat call for heat. We just gotta click for the igniter. The igniter is glowing. So far everything seems normal. Could be a blower, who knows, but let's see. Gas. The flame rod's giving a good signal. That's why we still got flame. Next thing we should see is the blower wheel. This is a variable speed ECM motor, as y'all can see. If that doesn't kick on, then that's our problem. I hear a click, the motor is spinning. We got FO2 on the control board. And now the flame went out, the gas, looks like the gas valve. Okay. I pray to God we don't have a cracked exchanger, but the flame went out as soon as that blower spun up. But I think I heard the gas valve go in and out. I'll check that here in a second. Man, that's really interesting. Let me think here. I'm gonna check that flame sensor. Why would it go out as soon as the let me just check a few things and go that way. I mean, I can't think of anything. Why would it? Unless there's liquid in the lines here. No, that's clear. But that doesn't make sense. If there was liquid, it would have never turned on to begin with. Interesting. Let me get a reading on that flame sensor. Just in case. Comment below what you guys think it is. I'm sure somebody already knows. By the way, this is a fairly new system. It's only like a few years old, if that. What is it? It's a 2022. So it's only 3 years. All right, let me test the switch. None of these sensors are tripped. Obviously. And with the pressure switches, let me check this one on top. Beautiful, nice and clear. Gonna take a picture just to document it, because that's important. So there's no liquid in your draft motor. And then as that's going, I'll see if there's a signal loss from the thermostat. That could be a factor. Just curious to see what we get. So we're getting a strong enough signal from the flame rod, even at 2.6. Let's go check voltage. I am not quite sure why I would do that as soon as the blower kicks in. Okay, so I'll get with a good buddy of mine just to see. Maybe I'm missing something, which obviously I wouldn't be surprised. I'm still learning. I mean, that flame goes out immediately. Faulty gas valve? Or is it the control board that's... I mean, as soon as that kicks on, we should be getting the voltage. I mean, obviously we are. I'm trying to think. I wonder if these terminals are messed up. I guess I'll move this. We'll start the whole thing over. We'll wiggle this around. So it's not like it's not getting the voltage. Something is draining it whenever that thing kicks on. And I gotta figure out what that is. So let's check the board. We got a transformer for the air handler. UV lights have its own transformer. In the gas valve, we got gray and brown. Trying to trace back to the board. So we got these two for the gas valve. This goes in here. So let me put my prongs in here and see what's going on. I'm gonna stick these right here. And I should be able to see when that thing opens. We got the gas, no, the igniter. We should get the gas here pretty shortly. .26 volts to open the gas valve, which is obviously open. Still getting 26 volts and it's 22. Now it's closed. That's a, yeah, so now we're not getting any voltage, but the blower goes. So to me that looks like a bad control board. I just want to see what these other guys think. So I think this would be warranty. I just can't believe that these things go out so quick. That's what's really giving me the curveball. I'm expecting it from my older systems, but new systems, I know things happen, but dang. Yeah, because everything's running fine, but as soon as that blower kicks on, it just cuts out. And the voltage drops completely. And that's the only thing I can think of. I just didn't know if you ran into that situation and you...
I want to say I've seen that once before. It's rare, but it does it as soon as the blower kicks on. Right?
Yeah, as soon as it kicks on, it
like
cuts...
Instantly.
Instantly, it just cuts the voltage to the gas valve.
Does that blower, is there a limit switch around that blower motor?
There is on the far side of it. It's not resettable.
Not resettable? That could be tripping it.
So yellow and purple. Let me trace them back.
You could jump out that limb, like take the wires off the limit switch and jump them.
Yeah.
Basically to bypass it and then test and see what it does.
Alright, I'll give that a shot, and then if it changes, I'll let you know, but if not, I think it's just the control board.
Okay, I can stay on the phone with you.
Alright, man.
Get a jumper wire.
Alright, I got jumped out. I'm gonna try this one more time. Nope, same thing happened. Yeah. No, yeah, I mean, before the blower even gets up to speed, the flame goes out.
Gotcha.
Like, you know how it clicks?
Right.
For the blower?
Seems like something's out of circuit internally on that board.
Yeah. Alright, I appreciate it. I'm trying to double check there. But alright, man.
Alright, bye.
Bye. But I do appreciate you guys watching. I'm gonna go ahead and button this guy up. And I'll see y'all in the next one.